Hello everyone, welcome back to Majdia Drawing Academy. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a hyper-realistic hand drawing using charcoal, graphite pencils and white highlights. This is a step-by-step process, so grab your materials and let's get started. Step 1. Outline. The first step is to create the outline. For this, I use the grid method to ensure perfect proportions. Using a light B pencil, I carefully drew the basic shape of the hand from the reference photo. Grid method really helps beginners because it breaks down complex shapes into smaller, more manageable sections. Take your time with this step. Accuracy here will make your shading easier later on. Once the outline is done, it's time to add depth with shading. I started with the darkest areas using my charcoal pencil. These are the shadows and places where light doesn't fall directly. Remember to apply charcoal lightly at first and then gradually darken it as needed. Use a blending stump or a tissue to smooth out the dark areas for a soft, realistic look. Don't rush. This step sets the foundation for the entire drawing. Step 3. Adding midtones. Next, I used graphite pencils to work on the midtones, the areas that aren't too dark or too light. Here, I used an HB or 2B pencil to create soft gradients between the dark shadows and lighter areas. Use light, circular strokes to build the texture gradually. Remember, the secret to a realistic drawing is patience and smooth transitions between tones. Step 4. Highlighting. Now for the final and most satisfying part, adding highlights. I used a white gel pen to bring out the bright areas, like the reflections on the fingers and the shiny parts of the pencil. This step really makes your drawing pop and gives it a three-dimensional effect. Make sure your drawing is completely dry before adding highlights to avoid smudging. you have it, a realistic hand drawing using charcoal and graphite. I hope this tutorial inspires you to try your own hand drawing projects. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Majdia Drawing Academy. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. This tutorial inspires you to try your own hand drawing projects. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Majdia Drawing Academy.